outside. It's like a game of pickleball ball. And that's broke.
Yeah.
So this customer went walking one. Then they're like, "Here's your golf ball."
In the bank. I've been trying to teach her how to do that.
I can't always do it, but that's what you do in the bank. The first time I met him, he was 9 feet tall, very strict looking, and the stricter he looked at me, the more he made me laugh.
Oh no, that's funny. I bet that would have
I threw a golf ball.
That's what I always say, you're going to have to work Saturdays. I said, well, I'm never going to work Saturdays. I said, I'll give you 100% during the week, and I'm never working Saturdays. He said, you will work Saturdays. I never work Saturdays.
awesome. That's amazing. You could have retired after 12 years.
Well, I was retired, I was old. And I didn't get a retirement. I just